Hey boys and girls, sorry I couldn't be here today, but Mrs. Walker is going to help you with a really cool project that all of you Egyptologists are going to have so much fun doing. You just watched your video about King Tut and how they found his sarcophagus buried in the pyramids a really long time ago, and what a big deal it was. It was huge because they found a really intact, beautiful gold mask. These funeral masks were super important to the Egyptians, right? So, in preparation for next week, you are going to make your own sarcophaguses, and you're going to make them look super awesome. You're going to start with design a sarcophagus. I have these handouts for you that Alyssa will pass out, and you are going to use some of the pictures that will be up on the screen to design yours. Remember, the sarcophaguses were bright, colorful, really nicely done. So I expect you to really take your time using the glitter glue and sketching out your drawing first. I want you to have a really nice solid plan of what you're going to be doing. You'll do this in pencil on the piece of paper so you know which lines you need to make, which proportions they need to be in, and what pattern you want to do. That way, if you make any mistakes and decide you want something else, you can erase it. Once you've figured out what you want your sarcophagus to look like, you will get a piece of cardboard and some glitter glue. There's plenty of glitter glue to go around, but we have to share. You're going to trace with a Sharpie the outline of your sarcophagus, the best you can, and then you're going to do your pattern using all the glitter glue tubes I have for you. Ask Mrs. Walker or Alyssa, and please be careful because the glue comes out kind of fast. See, it's kind of a pointed tip, and if you squeeze, it comes out. But it's just like using a marker. You're going to fill in the patterns of your sarcophagus and let it dry. Remember, it's wet glue, so it will smear, so just be extra careful. When you're done, remember, don't touch it, write your name. I repeat, write your name. Turn to your neighbor right now, write your name, okay? Once you're done with that, you have a couple options. I really expect you to take most of the class making your sarcophagus because I want them to look wonderful for when we do next week and you get to take them home or we get to present them in a museum. Remember, we're working on our thesis to get our Egyptologist certificate. So I have 2 Egyptologist word searches that have all the kings and pharaohs and queens of Egypt that you could do after your sarcophagus. I also have an Egyptian alphabet for you. I want you to practice writing the alphabet on this paper or papyrus and then writing your name in Egyptian symbols. It's kind of like a fun secret code. Okay, so again, to repeat, you're going to draw or sketch out your sarcophagus cover on the worksheet first. You're going to use the cardboard and the glitter glue to then do your design formally and on the cardboard, okay? You're going to let that dry separately. If you have time, and I really want you to take your time doing those 2 things, you're going to do the word puzzles and or the alphabet. It's up to you. Remember, you're being a great reflection of Friday Focus. Be really good for Mrs. Walker. I can't wait to hear how you guys did. And I hope you have a really good weekend. I'll see you on Halloween. Bye.